What is LDH, and what does it mean in lymphoma? Imagine a tiny enzyme in your body that helps turn sugar into energy. This is what lactate dehydrogenase, or LDH, does. It's found in many tissues like the heart, liver, muscles, and even blood cells. When cells break down or get damaged, LDH is released into the bloodstream, so its levels can tell us a lot about what's happening inside your body. In the context of lymphoma, especially non-Hodgkin lymphoma, doctors often measure LDH through a simple blood test. Elevated LDH levels can indicate that there is a lot of cell activity happening, which is common when lymphoma cells multiply rapidly and die off quickly. This process releases LDH into the blood, so high levels often suggest a larger tumor burden or more aggressive disease. When someone is diagnosed with lymphoma, high LDH levels can mean the disease is more active or advanced. For example, in aggressive types like diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, elevated LDH is common and can be linked to a worse outlook. Doctors use this information along with other factors to help predict how the disease might progress. This is part of a tool called the International Prognostic Index, which helps guide treatment decisions and estimate outcomes. It's important to remember that LDH isn't specific to lymphoma. Other conditions like infections, tissue injuries, or even strenuous exercise can also raise LDH levels. So, a high LDH doesn't automatically mean lymphoma is getting worse. However, if a person with lymphoma has persistently high or rising LDH levels during or after treatment, it could suggest the disease is progressing, transforming into a more aggressive form, or coming back after treatment. In some low-grade lymphomas, like follicular lymphoma, LDH levels are often normal. But if they start to increase, it might mean the disease is changing into a more aggressive type. That's why doctors monitor LDH regularly during treatment and follow-up. It can also give clues about whether the lymphoma has spread to other parts of the body, such as the central nervous system. Overall, LDH is a helpful marker in managing lymphoma. It provides insights into how active the disease is and how well treatment is working. But because it's a nonspecific marker, it must be interpreted carefully alongside other tests and clinical findings. Always discuss your LDH results with your healthcare team to understand what they mean for your specific situation. Remember, each person's experience with lymphoma is unique, and your doctor can give you the most accurate advice tailored to your health.